Welding in Arkansas. What cities are making the most money? What skills are they using? And how can you get involved? Hello, family. My name is Joe Brown, aka Black Phoenix, and I am the founder of Hog On University. This rising, I wanted to talk to you about welding in Arkansas, some of the cities that's making the most money, some of the skills they are using, and how you can get involved. So here is the top cities in Arkansas right now. We got Little Rock, going at an average of $26 for the pipe welders, an average of $21 for the shop welders and field welders, an average of $20 in Pine Bluff, an average of $19 in Fort Smith, an average of $19 in Rogers, and an average of $19 in Conway, Arkansas. Those are the top cities in Arkansas that's making the most money. So what I have noticed in those cities, what they're doing to make the most money, they're even doing fabrication, using MIG welding, post-MIG welding, or they're using stick welding in the field doing pipe welding, or they're doing TIGging in the field inside of refineries and shops, putting in, changing out stainless pipe. So that's where the money at, fam. So if you're thinking about jumping into the welding field, we noticed that if you want to learn to be a MIG welder, just a good shop MIG welder, you can make good money in Arkansas. You can actually make up to $20 an hour learning how to MIG weld only. MIG welding post-MIG, where it's kind of more of a hotter process. So think about that. And then you got stick welding, family. Stick welding on pipe isn't going anywhere. It's been around forever. So if you learn stick welding in Arkansas and you want to get involved in some of the outside work and some of the shutdowns of refineries or plants or whatever, that's a plus. And also, if you want to do some iron working, it's a plus with doing the stick welding also. So 70-18, 60-10, those things are really popular. And then also for those who say, hey man, I don't want to really get burnt, they want to jump into the pipe field and do TIGging. Well, you can do some TIGging on stainless pipe and make good money. It's an average of 26. So it's not saying that you can't make more, but that's just an average number. So I just wanted to give some updates to that because some people are asking me about what field should I jump into in welding? And I always tell them, man, MIG welding and stick welding. And I say those two because that's where the money at the most, if you're trying to just jump into it. Now, if you really want to get into it, the TIG welding and then expanding your stick welding skills can get you more money. But if you're looking to get a check in Arkansas, think about MIG welding. Now, what does it take? Majority of these programs, they ask that you have a GED or a high school diploma. Now, if you go to some jobs, they don't require this. They'll do on-the-job training and they just want you to take the weld test, and you take the weld test. They don't care about you having a GED or a high school diploma. So that's a plus. Now, in Arkansas, it's a right to work state. So we do have some union in the state, and then we do have regular companies where you have the right to work. So keep that in mind when you're looking for your employment. So if you want to go to the union, you do have that option in Arkansas. And if you just want to work for a mom and pop shop or for a bigger company, you do have that also available in Arkansas. So I think the skill set you should try to focus on in Arkansas is MIG welding and stick welding. That's where the money at, family. Hold on.